Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur, mais pas de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, là juré pour la vie. Et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi mon cœur qui bat. Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you've cast, this is la vie en rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose.
Time is an illusion that helps things make sense. So we're always living in the present tense. It seems unforgiving when a good thing ends. But you and I will always be back then. 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 Singing will happen, happening happened. Will happen, happening happened, and will happen again and again. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. If there was some amazing force outside of time to take us back to where we were, and hang each moment up like pictures on the wall inside a billion tiny frames, so that we could see it all. It would look like will happen, happening happened. Will happen, happening happened, and will happen again and again. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. That's why you and I will always be best friends. I guess I have to face that in this awful place I shouldn't show a trace of doubt, but pulled against the grain I feel a little pain that I would rather do without. I'd rather be free, I'd rather be from here.
So this is love. So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow, and now I know. The key to all heaven is mine. My heart has wings, and I can fly. I'll touch every star in the sky. So this is the miracle that I've been dreaming of. So this is
Follow my lead.
Hey!
Good little girl, always picking a fight with me. You know that I'm bad, but you're spending the night with me. What do you want from my world? You're a good little girl.
Bad little boy. That's what you're acting like. I really don't buy that you're that kind of guy. And if you are, why do you want to hang out with me?
Don't you know I'm a villain? Every night I'm out killing, sending everyone running like children. I know why you're mad at me. I've got demon eyes, and they're looking right through your anatomy, into your deepest fears. Baby, I'm not from here. I'm from the nightosphere. To me, you're clear, transparent. You got a thing for me, girl. It's apparent.
Oh, I got a hot potato, and I got 2 hot tomatoes. Well, they'll make a good sauce, maybe. So
You're not so bad, you know.
Not so bad. I'm the son of a demon and the vampire king. It's not something I have to try at. You, on the other hand...
The table for as long as I am able.
I'm not trying to be bad. I'm hanging out with you because you're my friend.
What, like him?
No, different. Hey, yeah,
Oh, no!
yeah.
Whoa. Hey, break it up, you two.
I know we'll never grow old together, 'cause you'll never grow old to me. You're the pink in my cheeks, and I'm scared 'cause that means I'm a little bit soft. So don't beat yourself up, Bonnie. It wasn't just the sun I was hiding from. We were messed up kids who taught ourselves how to live. So scared that I'm not good enough. I've always felt like a monster. Oh, long before I was bit. Only seen as a monster. Oh, let's just say I'm used to it. And I grew tough, 'cause love, it only hurt me back. But loving you's a good problem to have, and I'm used to that. But I could get used to this. Oh, I'm used to that. But I could get used to this. I know we'll never grow old together, 'cause you'll never grow old to me. You're the pink in my cheeks, and I love that it means I'm a little bit soft. You're the pink in my cheeks, and I love that it means I'm a little bit soft.